Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called RewardXP, and you're wondering, can you make money from RewardXP? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with it pretty easily, actually. All you do is you just sign in with Google. That's an easy way to actually create a website and a user account. I'm just going to choose one of my accounts right here. I already have a partnership with RewardXP, or I have an account with them, okay? And if you come inside, there's a few ways that you can earn money, all right? So the first way is you just go ahead and click on the earn section on the left. It's very easy, and there are three ways where you can earn money. You can fill out surveys, you can download offers, and you can watch videos, okay? Now what happens is for every action that you take, you will earn experience points, okay? So for example, if you click on surveys, there are a few different survey websites, and new ones are always being added. This is a fairly new reward website. This is known as a PTC website, pay to click website, and so new surveys, new offers, and new video sites are always being added. They've got a game section as well, which is still being updated currently, right? But the cool thing is if you wanted to, for example, earn money with surveys, just filling out surveys, you would click on maybe your surveys, you would have to go to your profile, you would fill in your information, your demographic, your age, your background, your ethnicity, that kind of thing. And depending on your profile, you will get a few different surveys that you can fill out, okay? Now, here's the thing. Okay, so for example, this website, it says that you can fill up to 10 times per day and you're going to get 7,500 XP points, right? This may not be 100% accurate, okay, because most survey websites don't allow you to fill out a ton of surveys every single day. That's not really how it works. But if you spread yourself across a few survey websites, then you might be able to get a few surveys done every single day, all right? Now, just to give you an idea of how much money you can make with surveys, 7,500 XP points equals to 75 cents, right? The threshold to withdraw from here. So if you wanted to take out your money, you can actually withdraw from these different areas: PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa prepaid card, okay, which is a cool way to get your money out. I mean, PayPal's the best, right? But the minimum threshold is $5, okay? So it's not super high, and you should be able to get there fairly quickly, all right, if you're filling out the surveys, because I mean, if Dynata pays you 75 cents per survey, even if they don't allow you to take more than a couple of surveys a day, you can probably take one survey with each of these other companies, and you can add that up. Okay. Now it does take time to fill out a survey, all right, and it does take time to download offers. Okay, so you can come here and download some offers, put in your credit card information, and then make sure you just cancel later on if they require a credit card. And you can also watch video, which is pretty cool. Okay, so Hideout TV allows you to just watch a whole bunch of videos, depending on what you wanna watch. Okay, movies, gaming, laughs, tech talk, for example. Start earning here. Okay, and you can just watch the videos, and you earn little bits of XP points for the amount of time that you're spending on this platform, watching these videos and downloading the offers and filling out the surveys. Okay, now how much money are you gonna really make with watching video? Well, you don't make that much. Here's the thing. Okay, so if you're spending half an hour, for example, or an hour watching the video, even if it's in the background, you're earning just a little bit of XP points, equivalent to roughly about a few cents. All right, so you're not gonna rack up tons and tons of money. I mean, if you're on this website and you're spending maybe a few hours a day, you could potentially hit the threshold per day. All right, so if you're working hard at it, you might be able to make $5 thresholds and withdraw that in a day, but it's going to take you a little bit of time. Okay, so PTC websites aren't designed to make you rich, but if you have nothing else to do and you don't mind spending a little bit of time on the website, this is a very low skill way of making some money online. Okay, so let's just say you're hitting $5 thresholds every single day times 30 days, you're making about $150 a month if you spend a few hours a day on this website. Okay, so again, it's not groundbreaking type of income. You're not going to retire, you're not going to travel the world, you can't retire your parents, not that kind of thing. You're not going to buy a Ferrari. But if you have an hour or two extra a day and you don't mind watching some videos and you don't mind coming here to fill out a couple of surveys, then this is a free, very low risk low skill way of making some money online. Okay, so if you want to check it out, I've got my affiliate link directly below this video. If you want to give me some credit for it, my link is right there. You can click on it and check it out if you want, right? But if you're like, well, Aaron, I've got a couple of hours a day. I'm hoping that I want to make more than, maybe $5 a day online. How do I do that? All right. Now, so there are two ways to make money online, and you need to understand this, right? There is the low skill way, and there's many, many websites like RewardXP online. RewardXP is just one of many legitimate PTC style websites where you can actually make money online, okay? But you're not going to make that much money. You're really only going to be able to generate a few dollars a day, okay? So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 a day. So maybe 100, 150. If you're working really hard at it, maybe $200 a month. But how do you make $200 a day? How do you make $300 a day? How do you make $1,000 a day? How do you make $2,000 a day? Now that's a high income skill set, okay? Now what I do is I teach that. I teach high income skill sets. So how do you get into the knowledge business? How do you sell digital courses online? How do you connect a group of people that have a problem that they're trying to solve with a product that will help them to solve that problem? You just match them together, you become a good matchmaker, a middle person, they make a purchase, and then you generate a commission. Very simple. Now, this is a high income skill set. This is something that I teach. I've taught thousands of people all over the world how to do that, right? And if you want to learn how to make a full-time income from home, we're talking real full-time income, $100 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. It does take time, and obviously it takes skill, and you have to action this out. But I would love to teach you how to do that for free if you would like to. All right, so I've got a free 6-figure workshop where I show people how to do this. You can click the link below to register for that. It's the second link. Okay, so completely up to you what you would like to do, right? If you would like to just check out RewardXP, spend maybe an hour or two a day earning a couple of bucks here and there, you can check this out. This is a legitimate PTC website. There are a lot of fake PTC websites out there. RewardXP is a legitimate one, so you can check it out if you want. That's the first link below this video. But if you're like, Aaron, I want to make the big money, I want to do this properly, I want to change my life, I want to travel the world, I really want to leverage the internet properly, then it's the second link below for my workshop. And I hope you enjoyed this review of RewardXP today. All the best to you, and I hope to see you in another video. Take care and all the best.